The Nationalist Congress Party on Tuesday attacked Ali Congress and largely ignored the BJP. Its Rajya Sabha MP Praful Patel said that the Congress has been marginalized not only in Goa and also in India. The party has lost all its important MLAs in Goa and also in India, but still party talks of fighting election on their own.
Patel had came down in Goa to meet important leaders of NCP to begin the preparation for 2020 elections. Patel said NCP will tie up with like-minded parties in Goa, but not with the BJP and AAP. In 2017 elections, Congress had initially agreed for alliance, but later went on their own. He also said BJP government is both at centre and the state, but has failed miserably.
Unfortunately, the senior leader of the opposition parties, then the Congress party, initially said yes and then they changed their mind and fought the elections independently. As a result, they got 17 MLAs. If they had contested in alliance with NCP, I am very sure that we would have formed a government with majority of 21 and more between Congress and NCP itself. After the results also came out, Congress had 17 MLAs, Goa Forward had 3 and NCP had 1. We had agreed that if the Congress needed our 1 vote to form the government, we would have happily joined and supported the Congress to form the government in Goa. But as you are all aware, it was only because of the Congress's failure. Remember, Goa Forward also was waiting for the alliance to happen and give a list of their 3 MLAs along with 17 of the Congress and 1 of NCP to form the government. But all the Congress did is they squandered the opportunity and gave the government to BJP on a platter. In the last 4 years, how Congress party with 17 MLAs, one after the other, their MLAs left the Congress party, resigned and have joined the BJP. And 17 MLAs, now Congress reduced only to 5 MLAs. So this also shows that the Congress party is completely marginalized in Goa politics, and they also today, they may talk about fighting alone, they will talk about defeating BJP, but a party which has lost all its important MLAs and has in the national politics also 2 times in a row failed to even get 10% of the members of Lok Sabha, cannot today claim in Goa that we will be defeating the BJP on our own. In Maharashtra also you have seen that Congress is 44 MLAs, NCP is 54 MLAs. The tables have turned even in Maharashtra. And it is thanks to Sharad Pawar ji and NCP that we have an alternative government against the BJP formed in Maharashtra, where Congress also had a chance now to be part of the government.
Irsha Sheikh for Goa 365 from Panaji.